Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge. Now remember, Shibadoge have actually dropped in price, drop in market cap, and now Shibadoge have started increasing in price, about 10% increase within the past 13 hours. And also Shibadoge market cap have really increased. Now Shibadoge added about $1.2 million on market cap in the past 13 hours. That is great to see, because remember, market cap of Shibadoge yesterday were actually trading at $6.2 million, and right now Shibadoge market cap is currently trading at $7.7 million. But earlier, as a few months ago, when Ethereum Wells had interest on Shibadoge, the market cap was about $16 million. But the truth is, Shibadoge market cap need to hit $50 to $100 million in order to hit between 300 to 1000%. Well, I believe that many more investors, many more buyers will be coming in. Shibadoge is going to become one of the biggest coins soon, because Shibadoge to me is the next Shiba Inu. So it is better to buy and hold this coin and wait, because anything can happen. But remember, when buying Shibadoge, try to invest what you can afford to lose. And right now, you can buy Shibadoge on Hotbit, on BitKEX, on Uniswap V2. And we still hope that many more exchanges will be coming in. Even though on IndoEX, you can also buy Shibadoge there. But I want to see Get.io, I want to see Crypto.com, I want to see Albank, I want to see Kucoin coming in to support Shibadoge, because definitely this coin is going to become one of the biggest coins. Now, Ethereum World had interest of Shibadoge, and I believe that's something special why Ethereum World actually earlier invested on Shibadoge, about $7.3 million on Shibadoge. Then the market cap of Shibadoge actually hit almost $16 million. But the truth is, even though wells are not holding Shibadoge, I still believe this coin is the future coin. It's going to definitely increase in price. But buying and holding this coin is going to be one of the best decisions you can do, because Shibadoge might be that Shiba Inu where many people neglected, and we all know what happened with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu actually created a lot of millionaires. So I think Shibadoge, and they have one important thing, that they have good project. They have a better project. I love the project. I've actually go through their project. I mean, these guys are serious. Shibadoge definitely is going to become one of the biggest coin. So for me, buy what you can afford to lose, hold it for a very long time, and let's wait and see what will be happening within the next few years. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please you can do your own research before taking any decision.